Have you ever wondered about the lives of the creatures in the deep sea? Well, dive in with me as we explore an enchanting tale from the vast and shimmering ocean. This is the story of two very different yet remarkable creatures, the dolphins and the whales. In the heart of the ocean, the dolphins were the embodiment of playfulness and intelligence. They darted through the water with an elegance and speed that left everyone in awe. On the flip side of the coin were the whales, majestic and wise, moving through the depths with a serene calmness that commanded respect. Their differences, however, were mere threads in the tapestry of their unity. Bonded by the songs of the sea, the whales would sing ancient melodies. These songs, echoing across the ocean, whispered tales of the world before time itself. The dolphins, ever the attentive audience, would then carry these stories across the sea, adding their own playful tunes to the narrative. But then, a dark cloud of danger loomed over their home. The shadow of human pollution and hunting began to creep over the ocean, threatening the harmony of their world. The dolphins and whales knew they had to make a stand. With a call that resonated through the waters, they rallied every sea creature, from the smallest fish to the largest shark, forming an alliance to protect their home. The dolphins, with their nimble agility and sharp intellect, took the lead in guiding lost ships away from treacherous waters. The whales, on the other hand, used their soulful songs to communicate with the humans, sharing the anguish their actions were causing. The unity and plea of the sea creatures touched the hearts of the humans. Spurred into action, they began to clean the oceans and protect the life within it. The dolphins and whales had not only saved their home, but also imparted a valuable lesson of coexistence and respect for all life. The tale of the dolphins and whales evolved into a legend, a beacon of the harmony that can exist between all beings and the power of unity in the face of adversity. The ocean once again thrived, brimming with life and song, as the dolphins and whales continued their peaceful existence, the true guardians of the deep blue world. And so, they all lived happily ever after. This story serves as a reminder to us all of the importance of unity, respect, and coexistence. Stay tuned for more captivating stories from the depths of the ocean and beyond. Until next time, remember to keep the spirit of unity alive and always respect the world around you.